So a new stream of income has come into the creator economy, and it's actually with the most controversial app right now, which is X, formerly known as Twitter, has opened up their creator ad revenue share program to way more creators. Now, if y'all remember a couple of weeks ago, Twitter was paying out their top creators just to tweet, and they were talking about 5 to 6 figures, right? One of the creators that we talked about in the past, Marquez Brownlee, actually spoke how much he got paid. So let's listen to that.
Got a screenshot because I just got a pop-up when I opened Twitter one day. It says, congrats at MKBHD. As your share of ads revenue and replies, you're receiving $6,698. Your portion will be deposited into your Stripe connected account within the next 72 hours. Thanks for being a creator on Twitter.
Most of us do not have his following count or reach, but they did open it up to way more people. So to be eligible to get some money from Twitter, 1, you have to have 500 followers. 2, you have to be subscribed to Twitter Blue or a verified organization. The third one, which this one is a bit tricky, where you have to have at least 15 million impressions in pretty much a 3-month time span. Now, that's not to say that's not impossible, but it is kind of steep. It is kind of steep. However, I'm always open, and I actually always love if there are new ways to make money with our content. I do find it funny that this comes now with Threads kind of still making a bit of noise, the whole rebrand. I think this is a way to keep it kind of relevant through its whole changes, but I'm still for it. I kind of like this. Am I going to be active on Twitter? I don't know about that just yet. I'm still a Threads person, and I don't necessarily move for money, but I do believe that this is a new opportunity that we should at least look into. And for those people who are active on Twitter, I think this is a really good play for you guys. So let us know what you think, whether we still do have Nicky and Moose on Twitter, whether it's on Twitter, whether it's on Threads. What do you think about this new eligibility to get some money from X, formerly known as Twitter? What you think?
Yeah, that's
Moose?
interesting. Yeah, my mind immediately goes to, I wonder if they want the 15 million impressions to be a rolling average for every 90 days, or is that a one-time thing that once you hit it, you activate the ad share or the ad revenue, and so you're in the game? So that's going to be interesting. But yeah, 500 to 15 million, I'm with you on that. That is a bit steep, but I don't know, I guess I can see both sides, because it seems like they are paying a lot more than the other platforms. Mm-hmm. So you got to kind of weigh out the pros and cons on that.
Yeah, and I don't know, no one really knows from the creators that already got paid. There was no analytics on that. There's no timeline of how long was that payout, what tweet got the most money. There's no analytics of that. It was just more of connected to Stripe. Here you go. You're good. Even from a strategic wise of me thinking about it, of okay, if I do this, these are the tweets that I need to concentrate on, or whatever it's going to be called now. I don't even know what. We'll talk about that. I always from a strategy wise, how to make money. But I guess this is kind of thank you for being active and really active, because you've made at least 15 mil impressions. Here's a check.
Yeah, that's interesting. No, but that's going to be some good information, because you're right. We don't know if that goes back for the entirety of their Twitter account history, if it goes back for maybe just 2023. Yeah, so those are going to be some necessary information, I guess.